Hello to all my subscriber friends. Kumusta kayo? Good evening, good morning to all viewers from the other country like USA, Australia, Brazil, Russia, Japan, all over the world. Thank you so much for subscribing my YouTube channel. Guys, thank you sa lahat ng support. So, sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe, maraming salamat. And more subscribe guys sa aking YouTube channel. Ito pala guys yung soundboard or technical sonics or control soundboard yung studio ng aming church. So, yun I'm so happy guys na patuloy yung supporta nyo sa akin YouTube channel. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga Pilipino. Please continue to support, subscribe here in my YouTube channel. Maraming salamat and to all friends, subscriber from the other country like United States of America. Thank you so much. The American people and Brazil people, Russia, thank you guys. Mexico and Japan, Australia, many thanks to all of you guys. So nakapag-upload ako kanina umaga. So right now I want to share this video to all of you guys. So thank you so much. Hindi madali or it's not easy being YouTube content creator. Sometimes nakakaramdam ako ng pagod, but never give up. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe here on my YouTube channel, Max Lauray. So ito ako, mahilig ako sa music, sumayaw, bilang audio sound technical mixer. So naging ito ba trabaho ko. Maliban dito, may ginagawa rin ako sa musika. Nagtrabaho din ako, regular work in the office. So guys, nakakamangalang ang buhay ng atin bilang pray ni God, bilang pinahiram tayo ni God ng buhay. So ingatan natin guys yung buhay natin na una-una sa lahat, bigyan natin ng oras, time, si God bago ang lahat ng mga bagay natin na nakikita natin sa paligid natin. So yun yung importante guys, si God, put God first mga bagay na sa paligid natin. So once again, thank you so much friends, subscribers all over the world. Thank you guys. And yun,